Welcome back to Grill This, Smoke That. Today we were doing hibachi at my parents' house for a large group of people. It's a great meal and it feeds a bunch of people, so it's super easy to do. We went ahead and got the griddle ready with some bacon up all over it, and we're gonna start with our rice and our vegetables. So cooking with me tonight, I've got my dad. We're gonna go ahead and get the rice on the left side of the griddle. So we cooked it yesterday and we kept it in the refrigerator to dry out a little bit so that it's not so sticky. While he's getting the rice ready on this side, I'm gonna get the onions, squash, and zucchini going on the other side. So my dad took the big spatulas and made me work with the small ones tonight. On the vegetables, we're gonna add some teriyaki sauce, some pepper. We're not gonna add any salt because the teriyaki sauce already has a lot of sodium in it. We are gonna add some fresh garlic to the vegetables though.
For the rice, we're gonna add some butter and some soy sauce.
While he mixes that up, I'm gonna add in some garlic and some pepper. We almost forgot the broccoli, so I just added some fresh broccoli florets. I'm also going to crack 3 eggs and scramble them to add to the rice. I'm gonna throw down some bacon up.
I'm throwing a dome over the broccoli to help it catch up.
The rice is almost done. We're gonna add in some sesame oil. It doesn't take much. This is just adding flavor more than anything. Get that nice and mixed in, and then the rice is ready to come off. Now it's time to get the chicken down, and I'm gonna go ahead and get the vegetables off as well. All right, we're gonna make something similar to lo mein tonight. We had spaghetti last night. These are not the right noodles for traditional lo mein, but we know the kids will like them, so we're gonna throw them on here.
Added about 2 tablespoons of butter to the noodles, then added some teriyaki sauce to both the chicken and the noodles.
Add a little bit of pepper to the chicken. Again, we're not doing salt because we put some teriyaki sauce on it. I'm gonna try a little bit of teriyaki glaze on this to sweeten them up. We're gonna add the glaze to the chicken, and then we're going to get the shrimp on to finish off the cooking. The shrimp take the least amount of time, so they always go on last. The shrimp are gonna get the rest of the garlic, the butter, and some teriyaki. So when shrimp are completely pinkish orange like this, that means they're done.
Everything's done, so let's eat, y'all. For a detailed video on how I fix hibachi, check out my YouTube channel. And if you want to buy any of the materials you saw me using in the video today, check out my Amazon storefront. The links are in my bio.